Umandi Sarni di Sarni. Oh, great. Just in front of the temple also, today is 20th June 2018, ladies and gentlemen, the people are having all the blessings, praising just in the name of Goddess. They are praying. It is prayer all night, all day, 24/7, just in front of the temple, you know. There is never. Oh, great, sir. Good. Thank you. Never Mehdi. Bolay. Just see, ladies and gentlemen, the people, just see that in front of the temple, and these holes are on the two sides of the temple. People are sitting here, people are enjoying here, and people are getting the bliss. You know, my sister Sunita Kher Prasad is distributing the halwa, the sweet pudding, and then this is the prasad. This is first, you know, that you do the prayer, you do the puja of this prasad, and then you distribute it. That is exactly how it is going on. Just see, ladies and gentlemen, this is excellent. This is beautiful. Just sit in front of the temple premises and be here and enjoy life. See what is Mata Kher Bhavani. See what is Tulumula and one of the highest deities of Kashmiri Pandits, and how the celebrations are there even post Exodus after 30 years long, 1990 Exodus and 2018, you know, ladies and gentlemen, 28 years gone by. Kashmiri Pandits scattered all over the world, and then Mole, I never can Mole. You may Yeah, never can. Mole never can. Dolly, man, I warrior. I'm a warrior. Don't can be Chavan. Just exiting, and you know that welcome to Yatris at Mata Shri Shri Mata Maharagna. You know that this is Mata Khirwani is also known by the name of, you know, Ragna, Maharagna. And then you just see that, ladies and gentlemen, this is kulcha. Kusmana kuch chai chota hai? Acha, Lipton chai?
Lipton chai.
Acha, sir. Great, sir. Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. So what, ladies and gentlemen, what's happening now? This is distribution of the sauce. This is how people are sitting right bank upon, you know, in front of Mata Ragna, Mata Maharagna. That is Talmula. You know, ladies and gentlemen, that is God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Maza lagana. ये तो सब maza lagana है इस ब्रोड के ना. Oh, Jai Bhagwan ki Jai, Jai Bhagwan ki Jai, Jai Mata. Just see, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Havan Kund. You can just do Havans here, you can just celebrate here, you can enjoy here, and you can, of course, this is what is. These people, you know, that they're preparing something also. It's a running kitchen, you know, it's a running kitchen. A running kitchen and just running kitchen and being here for days together. And then, of course, ladies and gentlemen, and then enjoying life. This is what is Kashmiri Pandit and what is Mata Maharagna. Mata Maharagna. This is such a beautiful and such a blissful, you know, ladies and gentlemen, this is such a blissful atmosphere here. It's a very small space, but full of love, full of affection, full of devotion, and full of energy, full of positive energy, full of the bliss and the blessings and the hands of Mata Maharagna. That is Mata Khirwani. Just see that people are just sitting in front of, sleeping, preparing food and doing what and what not, 24/7. If they are here for 7 days, they will be just in front of this Maharagna Mandir goddess. So just see what a beautiful and what an excellent and what a great and a divine feeling. This is Mata Maharagna, ladies and gentlemen, and this is, you know, this is the Aarti. Just have a closer look. You will feel blessed. You will feel blessed and you will feel great. This is something to be watched and something to be proud of. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going around and just trying to find out what exactly is happening. You just remember that this color of this spring, it changes colors, changes as per the mood and circumstances that's going on the Kashmir Valley. Just see these big trees, ladies and gentlemen. They have been standing here for thousands and thousands of years. Thank you. God bless